Wanrah Myntri Rangbah ya kamang tyngka baduna hajar arab khnai klur bakot lai persen ka GSDP. Nyau Myntri Rangbah ya kamang tyngka kum commission 10 bakenjo ya ka $10 billion economy. Kamang tyngka kaba san hajar arspa nyau phuai klur ban pen kubur ya ki kanthai. Kamang tyngka kaba 1,000 san spa iwei klur ya ki kam kibayadei bat kami mariang. Kamang tyngka kaba lai hajar san spa live khandai klur sya katanat pule puthi kentup 6,000 lai spa live san klur kum katulop grant in aid. Kamang Pisa kaba 6,000 khandai spa nyau pho sya katanat kakot kakia kentup si spa nyau pholai klur sya ka MHIS. Kamang tyngka kaba 8,000 nyau spa khandai klur sya ki surok bat 6,000 san spa san popora klur sya katanat boarding nangta khandai spa live sau klur sya ki kam karoi kapar hag sor. Kamang Pisa kaba khandai spa san klur sya ki kam kibai dei bat kejing penbiang nya ke umbam umdi.
From 12,159 crores in 2018-19 to 25,052 crores in the current financial year. We have been able to leverage additional funding based on our excellent performance and timely completion of projects. The GSDP for 2024-2025 is projected at 52,973 crores, estimating the total expenditure for 2024-2025 at 27,000 crores and 72, of which revenue expenditure is 19,653 crores and capital expenditure is 7,419 crores. The projected capital expenditure is almost 4 times higher than the value in 2018-2019. We have now completely streamlined the payment of salaries, pensions and other benefits to 52,829 government employees, 35,403 pensioners, more than 21,000 personnel drawing grant in aid salaries, 24,039 SSA and other teachers, 28,450 wage employees, 7,051 ASHA workers. Infrastructure like schools and hospitals are being comprehensively renovated and upgraded. Administrative infrastructures like block offices and police stations are being renovated and reconstructed for the first time at scale. Development is reaching every village and locality in the state in the form of new roads, piped water connection, food processing units, community halls, water harvesting structures, and play fields. We will achieve a $10 billion economy through focusing on 10 opportunities. I would like to commit to 10 guarantees which will ensure that every Meghalayan benefits from the growth story and that our development over the next 4 years is equitable, sustainable, and just. The state's own tax revenue is estimated at 4,041 crores in 2024-25, of which GST is at 1,995 crores, taxes on sales and trade is at 1,156 crores, and excise at 661 crores. The state's own non-tax revenue was 457 crores in 2022-23. With the increase in prospecting license approval by the Government of India and the expected resumption of scientific coal mining, the non-tax revenue is estimated at 747 crores in 2024-25. Budget estimates 2024-25. Sir, 2024-25, I have estimated the total receipts at 27,072 crores,